In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in Google Docs. Before we start, a quick note on how this works. Google Docs doesn't play videos directly inside the document. Instead, you'll add a clean, clickable link called a Smart Chip that points to the video stored in Google Drive. When someone clicks it, the video opens and plays in Drive. This keeps your document tidy and easy to share. Begin by opening your Google Doc and placing your cursor exactly where you want the video reference to appear. It could be after a paragraph, inside a checklist, or under a heading, wherever it makes the most sense for your reader. Next, switch over to Google Drive in a new tab and locate the video file you want to share. If the video isn't in Drive yet, upload it first so that Docs can reference it. Once you've found the file, select it and open the sharing settings. Change the access so that anyone with the link can view. Make sure the permission is set to viewer, not editor, unless you specifically want others to edit the file. Then copy the link. A quick privacy tip: only use anyone with the link if that's appropriate for your audience. If the video is sensitive, you can share it with specific people instead. Just remember, they'll need to be signed in to open it. Head back to your Google Doc and paste the link where your cursor is. You'll see the full URL appear. Now here's the trick that makes it look professional. Press the Tab key. That converts the raw link into a Drive Smart Chip, a compact, neat label that shows the file name and an icon. It's easier to read, it looks polished, and it's harder to accidentally break when editing the document. At this point, you have a properly formatted video link in your Google Doc. To test it, hover over the chip and choose to open it. The video will launch in Google Drive, where you or your readers can play it, adjust quality, and even comment if permissions allow. That's all there is to it. Open your document, find the video in Drive, set the right access, paste the link, and press Tab to tidy it up. This approach keeps your document lightweight, avoids embedding issues, and ensures everyone who should see the video can access it smoothly. If you later change who can view the video, just update the sharing settings in Drive. Your chip and Docs will automatically respect the new permissions.